First, let me open the Lego Mindstorm software. This is your lobby. Let me kickstart a new project. Now, set up a loop. Place the sensor block and the followed by set of math block and variable block. Let me copy it and paste it again, so that we can get a set of math block and a variable block. For the first set, get the sensor value as B. For the second set, get the sensor value as A. Let me put it into an advanced mode. Here A is the threshold value, and which means black value plus white value divided by 2, and C is the error value. For me it's 0.7. Let me enter the A value. The output of the first one to the output of the first variable. For the next, now the B is the black value and C is the error value. Let me enter it. Now connect the output to the variable 2. Now put the simultaneous loop for the variable 1 and 2 to the step up the motor. Let me extend it so that you can see it comfortably. Variable 1 and variable 2. Let me connect the move tank block and switch it on. The first variable gives the value of motor A and the second variable gives the value of motor B. The program will run the first line and the variable 1 and 2 will receive their respective value. Okay, let me try it out. Thank you for watching.